Eco Magic Art. Magic Hat. Kids, let's see what we are drawing today. Wow, kids, it's a rainbow heart. Let's start by drawing a small heart right from the center. This will be the innermost layer of our rainbow heart. Now, let's make our heart even more magical by adding layers around it. Draw a slightly bigger heart around the first one. And keep going until you have multiple hearts. Each one larger than the last. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Kids, we are almost done with our first step. It's coloring time. Let's start from the outermost layer and color it red. This bright and bold color will make our heart stand out. Next, move inward and color the next heart orange. It's warm and cheerful, just like the sunshine. Now, let's add yellow. This layer will bring a bright and happy glow to our rainbow heart. Time for some green. Green represents nature and freshness, making our heart even more beautiful. Now, color the next heart blue. It's calm like the sky and ocean. Make sure to stay inside the lines. Finally, let's color the smallest heart in the center purple. Purple is a royal and mysterious color. It's the perfect finishing touch. Kids, let's add glitter to our rainbow heart. First, we will use red glitter. Glitter makes our drawing look magical and dreamy.
Wow!
This will make our heart shine beautifully. Wow, kids, look at that sparkle. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yes!
Now, we will use orange glitter for the orange part of the rainbow heart. Imagine this layer glowing like a beautiful sunset. So bright and warm. Next, let's add yellow glitter. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Time to add green glitter to the green part of our rainbow heart. This looks so pretty! Now for the blue layer. Add blue glitter to make it sparkle like the ocean waves. Now, we will add purple glitter to the innermost heart. Wow, this looks beautiful and shiny. Great job, little artists! Wow, kids, it looks so pretty!
Wow!
Our rainbow heart is so colorful and full of love. Doesn't it look magical?
Yes!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time!